Now let's talk about working with files in Python. In Python, working with files is a simple task. You can open, read, write and close files with built-in function. Let's explore these operations and understand how to handle errors effectively. Okay, before we start, I will create in our project a simple text file. In Python project, I choose new file. I'll name this file txt. Okay, and I will put some lines into our new file. First line, second line, third line. Okay, and now I will create a new Python file. File underscore demo. To work with a file, first we need to open it by using the open function. This function takes two parameters, the file name and the mode. The mode can be R for read, W for write, and A for append, and also X for create. If no mode is specified, it defaults to read mode. Okay, so file, open. Okay, the first parameter is the name of the file, file.txt. And I want to open a file in read mode. Okay, to read the entire file at once, we can use the read method. So I will print the output of read method, file.read. And it's important when we are not working anymore with files to close it. File, close. Okay, let's try to run our Python file. And yes, we can see that in output we have the whole content of the file .txt. So it's first line, second line, and third line.